Hey everyone, how's it going? It's time for another fun Pokemon Surprise Fold, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Vaporeon versus Flareon Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Flareon versus Vaporeon Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by taking my paper, I'm going to line up the corners, and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to fold it one more time, giving it another nice fold like this. Now when I open it up, I have these little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way, and that way you can open it up for a fun surprise and you have your guidelines in here. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Flareon. So I'm going to start right here at the eye. I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to curve up here. Then we'll make a line that's just going to come down and then up. Next we'll make an oval shape right inside the eye. Now for the face, let's begin by making a line that's going to come up and then in. And then I'm going to bring this line right to about here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down and up. And then right here, let's bring this line up to a point and down. And then one more up to a nice big point. And then we're going to bring this down and then connect it to here. Then on the front here, let's make a little oval shape for the nose. Now we'll draw a little line for the head. And for the ear, let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come up and then down. We'll go up and down again. Then we'll come up again and down. We'll come out and then bring it in here. Next, we'll bring this line up and down and then just over for the inside of the ear. Next, let's bring this line down. And right here, let's make a line that's just going to come down. And then we'll bring it up here. Next, let's make the big mane on Flareon. So to draw that big mane, I'm going to just begin by making a couple little points to just kind of go down and then up. And then I'm going to slowly curve these up and make a few more little points. And then once I get up here to the fold, I'm going to make a couple more and kind of bring them right up here. Next, I'll draw a line that comes down for the body. And then I'll draw one and two little lines for the legs. Then I'll make a little line right here for the body. Now, over here, let's draw Vaporeon. So the first thing we want to do is start the eye. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve down. And then I'm going to bring this line down to here for the eye. And then just like the other one, we'll put an oval shape right inside of here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then in. Then we'll make a little oval shape for the nose. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come in. And then right here, we're going to put that big fin. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to a point, and then let's bring it back down. Next, we'll bring this out and then down. And then I'll make a line that's going to curve in and then down. Now for the ear, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out here. It's going to be like a rounded point, and then we'll bring it right back in. Then right here, I'm going to make 1, 2, 3 little bumps, and then I'm going to bring this back into here. And then I'm going to bring this line down. Next, let's go ahead and add a couple little lines right there. And then a couple little lines right here. Now, on the face, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and then we're just going to bring it down here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come up here. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and we're going to curve it down to here. Then I'll make another line that's going to curve out and then down. We'll make it jump here, and we're going to make a couple more of these little bumps right to here. And we'll bring this up. Next, we'll draw a few little lines right on here, right where all those points are, just to connect them. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'll draw 1 and 2 lines for a leg. And then I'm just going to make this line come over here, and I'll actually do that same thing over here. Then I'll just draw a little line right across here for the back. And then right above each eye, I'm going to make a little line for the eyebrow. And now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, after we open this up, we have 2 halves of our Pokemon. So let's begin. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by bringing this line down. And then I'll bring this line up. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and up here. We'll make a little line here. And then I'm going to bring this line down, and we'll connect it right to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and we'll connect it right to the chin. And then I'm going to bring this line down and in, and I'm just going to make it go right to there. Same thing here, we'll kind of bring this one in and make it go right to there. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line down, and then a second little line down. And same thing here, I'm going to make a little line up, and then a second little line up. Next, I'm going to draw a big fire attack coming out of here. So I'm going to make just kind of like this wavy, kind of pointed line like this. And I'm going to make some different little kind of spiky points on here. And then we'll just kind of make that same thing over here. Next, I'll make a little bump for the tongue. And I'll continue this line up and this line up. Now, let's work on Vaporeon. So I'm going to begin by bringing this down and then up. We'll make a little line down. We'll bring this line down. And then we'll come right to here and connect it. Next, I'll bring this line down. And then let's continue this kind of fin pattern. So we'll make some little points that just go in and back out. And we'll bring this all the way down to here. Then we can just connect all these lines in here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and then a second line down here. We'll make a little curve for the tongue. And then I'll make 1 and 2 lines right there. And then right here, we're going to make a water attack. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then I'm going to make it kind of wavy and bring it back. Then I'm going to put a second little wavy line on here. I'll do that again and bring it out, and then make it kind of wavy. And then I'll put the same little wave line on there. And then I'll do it one more time. We'll make this come out, and we'll make it really wavy. And then this time I'm going to make some bigger waves that are kind of hitting the flame there. Then we'll just bring these 2 lines down to connect. And there you go. There is your drawing of Flareon versus Vaporeon. When we have it all closed up, they're doing a standoff, and then when you open it, they are using their attacks on each other. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.